Ever wondered how to create stunning designs without any design skills? Well, you're in luck. Today we're diving into the world of Canva, a platform that makes design effortless and fun. And the best part, it's quick and easy to start. In the next few minutes, we'll walk you through the simple process of signing up for Canva. Getting started with Canva is as easy as pie. Let's walk you through the whole process, step by step. First things first, open your favorite web browser. Now type in www.canva.com in the address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the Canva homepage, you'll find a button that says Sign Up. It's usually at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. You'll now be directed to a new page where you're asked to enter your email and create a password. Remember, your password should be strong, yet memorable. Once you've filled in the required details, click on the Register button. Now comes the verification part. Canva will send a verification email to the address you've provided. So head over to your email inbox and look for an email from Canva. Open it up and find the verification link. It's usually a blue button that says Verify Email. Click on it. This will take you back to Canva's website and confirm your registration. If you've followed all these steps correctly, you should now be logged into your new Canva account, and voila! You're all set to start creating amazing designs with Canva. So let's recap quickly. We've walked through the simplicity of signing up for Canva. First, we navigated to the site. Then we either used an existing Google or Facebook account or created a new one by entering our email and choosing a password. We confirmed the email and voila, we're in. A process so straightforward, it's perfect for anyone, even those just dipping their toes into design. And that's it. Now you know how to sign up for Canva and start your journey towards creating impressive designs. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and unleash your creativity.